When you're ready to treat yourself to a beautiful wearable cardigan, you're going to want to make this gorgeous Cauley pattern. Hello lovely one! We have a beautiful beginner level cardigan pattern for you this week, Cauley by Michelle Ferguson, and it is all about self-love. It's so simple and easy to make, and it's a great piece to whip out when you want to make something beautiful that you are going to get tons of use out of. Taking the time to make beautiful things for ourselves and to love ourselves in that way is so important. I know in the past sometimes I felt guilty taking that time to make things just for me, but I think not only is it important, but it's necessary. And this gorgeous top is too cute for words. The cool thing about this top is it's beginner level. So even if you've never made a top before, I say give this one a try. It just uses basic stitches like single crochets, half double crochets, and double crochets, and you're just gonna whip it out in no time, and before you know it, you're gonna have a beautiful top that will wrap you in a warm feeling of love. And this top is worked from the bottom up with just a wee bit of shoulder seaming. This design is sleeveless and it's open and loose in the front, so it's a wonderful piece for warmer temperatures. And I love the simple shape of this top. It's so easy to wear over almost anything, and it's super easy to adjust the length as well. So you start from the bottom up, so you just work until you love the length and then you finish the top part. And can we talk about this lovely stitch texture? If you can believe it, it is created with just half double and double crochets repeated across. It's so simple, yet so elegant. And I love how the stitch texture looks. It looks like little flowers. To me, it reminds me of the little grape hyacinths that you see popping up in spring. The stitching also has a bit of laciness to it, which allows for a nice light and airy feel to your top. And this design has this beautiful little single crochet trim running along the front and the bottom and the sleeves, so it just gives a nice finished look. And to get this scrumptious coloration, we used our creamy, soft, and shimmering Crema Sock yarn. I designed this yarn to be long-lasting while also being shimmery and luxurious, so it's the best of both worlds. Your top is gonna hold its shape nicely while feeling flowy and sumptuous, so it's definitely a top you're gonna reach for again and again. And today I'm gonna be giving away 3 skeins of this beautiful Fable Crema Sock yarn that we used to make this top. So if you would love to enter, just subscribe to our YouTube channel and comment below letting me know if you have ever crocheted a top before. To make this top, you're going to start at the bottom and you're going to work your way up, and you're going to make the right and left panels and the middle panel, do a bit of shoulder seaming, and then finish off with that gorgeous single crochet trim. And I would love to show you how incredibly easy it is to work this gorgeous stitch pattern today. Like I said, it is super easy, super quick, so don't blink. If you would love to make this small swatch with me, go ahead and grab a hook and some yarn and let's get started. We'll go ahead and get started with a chain 11. So put your slip knot on your hook, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then for row 1 in the 3rd chain from our hook, 1, 2, 3, we're going to work a half double crochet and a double crochet. So there's our half double crochet, and then also into that same chain work a double crochet. Now we're going to repeat across, skip 1 stitch, and again in the next stitch work our half double crochet and our double crochet. Skip the next stitch, in the next stitch work our half double crochet and our double crochet. Skip, half double crochet, double crochet, and then when you get down to the final few stitches, go ahead and skip that next one, and then in that last stitch work a double crochet. And it should look like this. For row 2, we're going to start with a chain 2, and we're going to turn. And into this next stitch, so this is the double crochet that we worked on the previous row, we're going to work our half double crochet and our double crochet. Then we're going to skip the half double crochet, and into the double crochet, again work a half double and a double. And we'll repeat that all the way down to the end. Skip the next stitch, which was the half double crochet on the row below, and work into the double crochet, a half double crochet, and a double crochet. Skip the next stitch into the double crochet, work a half double and a double. And when you get down to the end, go ahead and skip that final stitch, which is a half double crochet, and into that chain 2, because that does count as a stitch, we're going to work a double crochet. And then to create that beautiful stitch pattern, you're just going to continue repeating that row. So when you continue on, you get that really fun, beautiful, and airy texture. And that is it. When you repeat those stitches throughout this design, you get this lovely, almost floral-like texture. So we would love to know what you think of this beautiful new design. As always, you can get the pattern and the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com. While you're there, be sure to sign up for email and text updates for weekly free knit and crochet patterns. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I hope you have an amazing, marvelous week, and I'm going to see you next week with another gorgeous new design. Bye! Is it because I'm doing this? Hold on, I got a big fuzzy in my face. When you want something beautiful, what is it? Stop, you're not 3 years old. Spring.
Folks, this is the kind of conditions
There's literally a hair right in my vision. Do you see the conditions I have to work in? Can you see it? Do you see it? How does it start? It's called Spontaneous Joy of Life. Okay, my hair in my face forever now. Bye.